Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen set that promises to be a game-changer for home cooks of all levels. We're talking about the MAISON ARTS 30-piece pots and pans set in a rather striking green color. 30 pieces. That's a lot of cookware, and if you're looking to outfit a brand new kitchen or just completely overhaul your existing collection, this might be a contender. Let's break down exactly what you get and how it performs. First, the sheer volume of items is impressive. This isn't just a few pots and pans. You're looking at 4 fry pans of various sizes, including a dedicated 9.5-inch square steak fry pan, which is a nice touch for those who love a good sear. Then there are 2 saucepans with lids, a 5-quart casserole with a lid, and a 3-quart wok also with a lid. Beyond that, it includes a 5-quart steamer, a 12-cup muffin pan, 3 general baking forms, and a 10-inch round springform pan. But it doesn't stop there. The set also generously throws in 3 silicone utensils, 3 ceramic knives, and 6 dining placemats. This truly aims to be a comprehensive kitchen starter pack, covering not just stovetop cooking but also baking and even serving. Now, let's talk about the star of the show for many, the nonstick coating. MAISON ARTS highlights a nonstick granite coating, designed to prevent food from sticking and, crucially, to make cleanup significantly easier. This is a big deal for anyone who dreads scrubbing burnt-on food. The promise here is a more convenient and enjoyable cooking experience, allowing you to focus on the flavors rather than the aftermath. In terms of compatibility, this set is designed to be versatile. It's suitable for all stovetops, and this is a key point for many viewers, it is induction cooktop compatible. The stainless steel base is engineered for even heat distribution, which helps to avoid those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a meal. Even heat is paramount for consistent cooking, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a steak. Comfort and control are addressed with the wooden handles. They're designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip, which is essential for safety and maneuverability in the kitchen. The tempered glass lids are another practical feature. They allow you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid, which is important for maintaining heat and moisture. This is especially useful when you're trying to achieve that perfect simmer or steam. The versatility advertised is no exaggeration given the contents. From frying and sautéing to baking, steaming, and even wok cooking, this set aims to cover all your culinary bases. If you're setting up a kitchen from scratch or looking for an all-in-one solution, the MAISON ARTS set certainly presents a compelling package due to its sheer breadth of offerings. However, let's consider the pros and cons. On the pro side, the extensive range of items is a massive advantage. For the price of 1 or 2 high-quality pieces from other brands, you're getting an entire collection that covers many cooking and baking needs. The nonstick coating is a significant draw for ease of use and cleaning, and the induction compatibility broadens its appeal to a wider audience. The inclusion of baking pans, utensils, knives, and placemats makes it a truly complete package, ideal for dorm rooms, first apartments, or anyone wanting a full refresh. Now for the cons, and there are a few to consider with a set this extensive. When you have 30 pieces, there's a natural question about the durability and long-term performance of each individual item. High-end, single-purpose cookware often excels because the manufacturer can focus all their resources on perfecting that one item. With a large set, there's a chance that some components might be less robust or may not perform quite as exceptionally as a standalone premium product. The granite non-stick coating, while convenient, can sometimes be more prone to scratching than heavier-duty, ceramic or cast-iron alternatives, so careful use and cleaning will be paramount. Wooden handles, while aesthetically pleasing and comfortable, may require more specific care than metal handles, and their long-term heat resistance under intense stovetop use might be a concern for some. Finally, while the variety is a pro, it also means you might end up with some pieces you rarely use, which could lead to clutter if storage is an issue. In conclusion, the MAISON ARTS 30-piece pots and pans set in green is an incredibly comprehensive collection that offers immense value for its sheer volume and variety. If you're looking for an affordable, all-inclusive solution for your kitchen, covering a wide spectrum of cooking and baking tasks, this set is definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of the potential trade-offs in durability and long-term performance that can sometimes come with such an extensive collection. Link in the description.